How to use PDF as a presentation in Adobe Reader. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Adobe app, and I have already opened one PDF file here. So I will show you how you can make it presentation. Okay, just open the file from here, your desired file. After that, we need to click on this option, which is slide option. So you can see all page at your left side panel. Okay, so you can zoom from here the page visibility. You can add or insert another page from your device, and here you can see the lots of option. Okay, so for presentation or slideshow, you can give the effects for presentation, like just click any slide, right click on it, go to the press transitions, and here you can select the transitions like slide, slipped, random, zoom in, zoom out, wipe. Okay, you can make this, you can select one by one. You can select transitions for one by one page, or you can apply for all page at once. Okay, after that you need to click on this option, just click this down arrow and go to the full screen mode. Now you can see the slideshow or presentation mode has been enabled in PDF Adobe Reader. You can simply hit the next arrow from your keyboard, it will be moved. Okay, after that you can simply click the escape button, it will be exit. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.